Hi guys, so we're testing the Aura Quick HIV Self-Test Kit today. So I received this, bigay to sa akin for free by the HIV and AIDS Support House Inc. of the Philippines. So this was in courtesy of my company. So ipag-coordinate lang ako with Hash and they provided this for free. So guys, you can coordinate with Love Yourself or with HIV and AIDS Support House or Hash Philippines Inc. You can Facebook them to basically ask for this kit. So bilang nurse guys, syempre this is very new for me. Actually first time kong gagamitin to. And at some point, educational na rin siya. Ayun nga, just make sure guys na 30 minutes prior is hindi ka pa kumain, hindi ka pa nag-toothbrush, or hindi ka pa uminom ng alak. Basta anything na pwedeng kainin or inumin, iwasan nyo muna 30 minutes prior. And also make sure your hands are clean, the station that you're at is also clean. So guys, the Aura Quick website claims that the accuracy for this test is around 99%. Pero of course, if yung suspected HIV exposure nyo is within 3 months, this test is not going to be accurate. Kasi nga, 3 months is the window period for the HIV to develop in your body. So meaning, if you had recent exposure with HIV, tas nag-test ka ng ganito, and hindi ka pa lumalampas ng 3 months, definitely, hindi siya magiging reliable. So guys, ang ginawa ko is bagong gising ako para at least naiwasan kong kumain, naiwasan ko uminom ng anything. And ginawa ko na siya agad-agad. So, isa-swab mo lang yung one side sa upper gum mo once, isang swab lang na ganon, na madiin sa gums mo. Madiin but not necessarily parang masasaktan ka. Tapos same thing, the other side naman, one swab din, once lang. Sa lower gums mo, madiin din, kahit dahan-dahan basta isang beses lang. So guys, hindi nga pala to intended for children that are 12 years old and below. So mga pang-adults lang talaga siya. So guys, once done na kayo sa swabbing na part, i-dip nyo na yung flat pad entirely all the way to the tube hanggang sa matouch na yung fluid sa ilalim. So, once na sure na kayo, be careful with handling the specimen kasi nga baka matapon. And make sure na masisecure nyo siya bago nyo siya ilapag kasi nga, syempre baka nga matapon. Tapos, ito na guys, yung nag-timelapse lang ng video for 20 minutes. Tapos, make sure nyo lang talaga na 20 minutes siya kasi anything that's below that, hindi siya magiging accurate. So guys, syempre, this is free, this is convenient, this is safe, this is bloodless, and this is very, very private. And all done in the comforts of your home. But then again, if you suspect that you have HIV, it is always best to go seek medical advice sa mga hospitals para talagang mas may confirmation and mas 100% sure kayo. Ayan, so guys, one line next to the C and no line next to the T, it means na HIV negative ka. But if it's 2 lines, kahit na sobrang faint pa nung line, basta dalawa siya, unfortunately, ibig sabihin nun, positive yung results. Ayun lang guys, so always practice safe sex, wear protection, and thank you for watching!